Is water leaking around your door frame? Well, it might seem like a small issue, but left untreated, it can cause huge problems like rot and mold. In this video, we're gonna uncover 5 common causes of door leaks and how to fix them. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. If you've ever noticed water pooling around your door or seeping through the frame, it's crucial to act fast. By the end of this video, you're gonna know the next steps to protect your home from water infiltration. Cause number 1, improper installation. Even the best quality doors won't perform if they're not installed correctly. Look for water pooling at the bottom of your door or coming in through the sides. This could mean the threshold, sill pan, or flashing wasn't installed properly or at all. What's the solution? You can call a professional to inspect and reinstall the problem areas, or in severe cases, the entire door. Proper installation ensures your door seals tightly and keeps water out. Cause number 2, damaged or improperly installed siding or roofing. If water is coming in through the top or sides of your door, the issue might not be the door itself, but your home's exterior. Cracks in the siding or gaps near the roof line can let water in, especially during heavy rain. The solution to this? You might want to reach out to a contractor who specializes in siding and roofing repairs. They'll be able to pinpoint the issue and ensure your home's exterior is watertight. Cause number 3, a rotted or warped door frame. Wood frames are prone to rot if exposed to water over time, and vinyl frames can warp in extreme temperatures. These problems create gaps that allow water to seep on through. Unfortunately, rot and severe warping often means it's time for a door replacement. Make sure you work with a trusted door replacement contractor to install a durable, long-lasting door frame. Cause number 4, a missing or improperly installed sill pan. This hidden component sits beneath the threshold and directs water away from your door. Without it, water can pool and cause damage. The solution for this is to check and see if you have a sill pan installed under the threshold of your door. If you don't, easy fix, get that taken care of or call a professional to get that knocked out for you. And finally, cause number 5, an old, worn-out door. Over time, doors can crack, warp, and lose their effectiveness against the elements. If your door is older and showing its age, it's probably time for an upgrade. Solution? Easy enough, replace your door with a high-quality, energy-efficient model that's built to last. It's the best way to ensure long-term protection and beautiful curb appeal. Now, water leaks around your door might seem small, but they can lead to big problems if left unchecked. Now, if you're in the San Antonio area, Southwest Exteriors can help. Schedule a free, no-commitment consultation with one of our experts and evaluate your door to find the perfect solution for you. Click the link below to get started. Not in the San Antonio area? No problem. Drop your questions in the comments and we'll help you out however we can. Thanks for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we're here to help you create the look you love coming home to. For more home improvement tips, make sure to like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.